everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Northwest Craftsman. Today we are going to be building a wooden American flag, and I am so excited to finally be doing this project. This is something that I've been wanting to do for a while, and what a more perfect time than on the weekend of Independence Day. So happy Independence Day, everybody, here in the United States, and I know that the rest of the world doesn't necessarily celebrate it, but happy Independence Day to everybody. And I hope that you learn a little bit about how to make your own wooden American flag. All right, let's get started. Alrighty guys, there she is in all of her glory, Old Glory in her finest. In all honesty, that last step with roughing it up was a little bit of an audible for me. I liked the way that it looked, but I hated the way the stars looked because the stars were bleeding underneath that stencil. I still don't know exactly why that happened, but I would love to hear it. If you know why that happened, would love to hear it down in the comment section down below. But I'm really happy with the way that it turned out, and I hope that you guys learned a little bit about how to build your own American flag for the 4th of July, or for the next 4th of July, or just to have up around your house any other time. So happy Independence Day, everybody. Really happy to have you around, and just really happy to celebrate how blessed we are to live in a country like we are in the United States. So thank you guys tons for joining me. I really appreciate it, and talk to you next time.